Hi, I'm Scott McCarthy. I'm the corporate chef for Inform Food Service Solutions, and today we're here to talk about Moffat. I've got Kyle Ranker here, who's the regional manager for Moffat in the West Coast. And Kyle, tell us what we've got over here.
So today what we're taking a look at is the E33 T. The unique part is the T, the touch. So this right here allows you to do everything at the touch of a button. This allows everything from manual cooking, recipe cooking. We also have a shelf timer feature which pairs really well with our new EH10. This is an extended hold cabinet that also doubles for cooking.
We're going to talk a little bit more about the versatility of the new EH10 unit from Moffat. And because we have a temperature range of up to 194 degrees, we can actually do some cooking in here that's going to give us some like sous vide results. So one of the things we're going to start with is we're going to do a tri-tip here. And we've got the tri-tip, and we're going to actually just load it into the unit, which we've preheated. And you can see that we get a beautiful amount of steam in there. And so we're going to load our tri-tip. We're actually going to use the probe that's from our E33 to time it, or to test the temperature. And so all I'm going to do is load this in here, probe it, close the door. One of the great features about the new Moffat EH10 is the versatility of mixed loads. As you can see here, we have a tri-tip cooking. We're actually going to be reheating our mac and cheese, cooking our rice, and then we're going to be doing a little bit of steam on our Brussels sprouts and our squash.